How to save a song on DEEZER. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save a post or a song that you love it on DEEZER. So first thing we do is we go to DEEZER, and this is the home page. Now let's just choose a song of Eminem or someone. Now let's choose a song here like this one. Now if you want to save this song, you need just to click on this heart icon here, and it's automatically save it to your library. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.